Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Travis. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So today's topic is a Jasmy, and yesterday I literally while filming a video where I just mentioned it, the Jasmy is ready to explode it because it's consolidated almost around 380 or 440. This is a major correction. It just taking right now. It consolidated so long. So what really exactly happened next in a Jasmy? Because this is an emergency video for you guys because after a long consolidation, we see some kind of uptrend signal over here. First of all, look at this graph. I want to show you guys very important graph to you guys. Look at this Jasmy in the smaller time frame, in a 30-minute time frame. Look at the price of Jasmy is literally going higher from this price point. And what make me so serious about the Jasmy, it consolidates so long in this price point, and a lot of people thinking that Travis, this coin is going more higher, or are we going lower from this price point? Because we see a lot of fake out in a Jasmy so many time, and this one is a first area where it just you know stuck it, and this one is a second area, and this one is a third area. So it might be the third one is also a fake out. Previous 30-minute candle is literally zipping the candle because of whenever it's falling like crazy, so it's forming this type of graph. But this time is it's not forming this type of graph. It's rejected and then slightly goes higher and ready to explode it. So basically this is a thing you have to remember, because this coin is not falling any kind of BTC price, Bitcoin price uptrend or downtrend momentum. It's not falling anything like that, because totally independent one and ready to explode it from this price point. And basically if you get into the bigger time frame, I know the smaller time frame not giving the clear idea what really happened, but when you get into the 4 hourly time frame, the 4 hourly time frame, it's literally going crazy right now. And look at this huge consolidation area, and not letting the price down, and there is a massive amount of buying pressure and huge buying pressure, not pushing the price down. Every single time when the price falling down, people buying a huge quantity of Jasmy, because they're looking at some lot of potential in a 4 hourly time frame, not only 4 hourly time frame, 1 day time frame as well. So the 1 day time frame is also bullish, weekly time frame is also bullish slightly, but there is a resistance. I'm just thinking if it break the weekly time frame resistance, so I'm just thinking this coin is just going to the skyrocket. Japanese Bitcoin, it's ready to blast off and taking off to the moon. First of all, I want to just share with you guys this 1 day time frame, which graph I'm just talking about. So literally it's zipping the candle, and the previous one is a red one. So sometime it's bullish, or sometime it's good for the pump and dump. But main thing is that, are we going higher or are we going lower from this price point in a 1 day time frame? I told you guys, like, we have to wait for the next day telling the truth what really happened in Jasmy. So yeah, the today is a good day because I'm just thinking before any conclusion, you have to see this resistance area in a smaller time frame, which I really want to show you guys. So this one is a crazy resistance, which is almost around this price point, almost around 0.440. So if somehow if it not break this resistance, then it's literally falling down crazy. And where is the another support? So support which is almost around this price point, you can see this one is a crazy price point, so almost around 380. If it not, then this is going to the moon first of all, and a couple of days remaining to opening a weekly time frame. But literally look at this weekly time frame. There is a massive huge cell wall is present on it, and that make me so crazy, and that make me so a scary situation over here in this price point, which is almost around a 0.0463. So there is a massive amount of selling pressure. I don't know why the so many days is consolidated and stuck it for long, but at least not so bad and not so far from the hitting the resistance. We are just closer to the that resistance, and finally it's rejected again. Look at this price again, and it's rejected. So it might be this one is a fake out. We see a lot of fake out in a JASMY. So I'm serious concern about it, because every single time when it pump it, it's always creating some pump and dump, and now it's not falling any BTC, just eating the liquidity. This is what I'm just looking right now in a JASMY for immediate short term. So basically, look at this: a slightly fall up and slightly fall down. There is no any kind of momentum. They just wash out the trades. They're just hitting the stop loss. So they're just hitting the every single positions, no matter in a strong up or no matter a strong down, every single position. So they want to hit every stop loss, so they can make a huge chunk of money. And this is how the crypto market work. Basically, if you're a day trader, so it's very, very risky, because every single stop loss hitting giving a massive loss, and that loss is compounding every single day. When you put a stop loss, it hit it, stop loss, it hit it. So just think about it: every single time you're losing a huge chunk of money. So those who holding for long term, they just leave it and just enjoying the ride. They're just looking for a massive support and resistance. Exactly, I'm just looking right now, because I'm looking almost for 40. First of all, it should need to break it, and if it goes higher, then I'm just thinking this coin is bullish. If it not, then I'm just thinking we have to wait for a while, and reaching it almost around 117, then I'm going to grab it. So this one is the crazy one, and I see a lot of coin is transfer from private wallet to Amazon exchanges. So why exchanges why these whales transfer their fund to the exchanges in order to dump it, and they're doing some kind of manipulations? Yes, might be, or is it possible in this crypto, millions of dollars just flowing right now from private wallet to the exchanges, or 400 and 380, a consolidated so long for almost around 3 days. This is crazy. Topping hitting this stop loss, because of this coin is a heavy potential, and is a Japanese Bitcoin ready to explode a skyrocket. So yeah, I see it in the past. There is no such kind of Japanese project pumping like crazy. I see the NAM. I see a lot of other coins in Japan previously, but they're not performing very well. But why? Because just because due to the regulatories and the legal authorities. Now everything is illegal right now, and they adopt this technology, and now they're collecting a tax from these technology from Japan. So now they are legalize this kind of things slightly, and that is the reason why Japanese loving this JASMY. This one is a first and a crazy project people looking. So but easy money, again, not a financial advice. I'm just sharing my personal opinion, what exactly I'm looking right. This is all about JASMY related information. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to smash the subscribe and do some comment for YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching.